Hey guys, this is Kilter Gardener, also known as Robert. Today on how to learn to do something in 2 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to make sauerkraut via lacto-fermentation. Thanks for joining, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Just want to show you I got some cabbage. I'm going to experiment with a little red cabbage and maybe some apples. I also got some green cabbage, which I'm going to do one with like dill and maybe garlic. And then just a plain sauerkraut. Hey guys, real quick, I forgot to bring up a few things for the project. A mason jar, wide mouth, a plastic lid that can hold an airlock, and a gasket. Here's the airlock. A kraut pounder. This is my dinky one. And then I got hooked up by Sam from Green Acre Homestead that made me a really nice one. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got some uniodized sea salt. That's the key, uniodized. And you're going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons per thing of cabbage here. This is the red cabbage. I'm going to use 2 good heaping tablespoons. And you're just going to massage that into your cabbage. Okay? And then you take Sam's pounder here and you're going to pound it. Now this is going to take a little bit. It's going to take about 10 minutes to start softening and the juices come out, or the juices of the cabbage, which is the water. So I'll bring you back when that process is Hey guys, so we're back. I went ahead and filled the jars. As you can see, the liquid of the cabbage has come up over top. I will go ahead and get this firmly packed as much as I can. And then I take these fancy weights I got from Amazon. You don't have to use this, you can use a cabbage leaf. And that goes on top. And I give it another little push down. And then I take my airlock, seal it off. And that sits on the counter in a 70-degree house for about 3 to 5 days. Taste it at that point. If you like it, cap it, put it in the fridge. That slows the fermentation. And then if you want it more tangy, leave it out till you like it, and then cap it off and put it in the fridge. Thanks for joining. That's how you make kraut. Hey guys, this is Kilter Gardener. Just wanted to say thanks for joining me. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, give me comments and feedback. If you get a chance and want more details about fermenting, just let me know and I'll try to do a more detailed video down the line. Thanks guys.